equipment is the engine that keeps your business running. And when it comes to that engine, Schaeffer is first in making it last. All of these components come from engines with over 1 million miles, equipment running up to 20,000 hours and beyond. The one thing they all have in common? Schaeffer's high-performance lubricants. This MTU 4000 12-cylinder diesel engine has gone over 20,600 hours with extended drain intervals without an overhaul. Serviced exclusively with Schaeffer's friction-modified lubricants, the lack of wear throughout the engine is impressive. From the fuel injector to the camshaft, pistons, rocker arm assemblies, rollers, and bearings, there's virtually no scoring, sludge, or oxidized oil. The hydraulic pump on this Timco has run over 9,000 hours. By using Schaeffer's advanced hydraulic fluid exclusively, you can see there's little wear on its parts. The pistons, bearings, shaft, every hard metal component showing unparalleled protection. After more than 9,000 hours, it still delivers like-new performance after just replacing the seals and bearings. Using Schaeffer's synthetic oil exclusively, this C15 Caterpillar diesel has gone over 1,055,000 miles with all its original parts. From the lack of carbon buildup on its exhaust ports to the total absence of sludge or oxidized oil on its pistons, its virtually wear-free rocker assemblies, cam and crankshafts, all on a 1,000,000-mile engine. This 5.4-liter Ford engine has seen over 1 million miles using Schaeffer Oil. Notice the lack of buildup on the cylinder head and walls, the remarkably clean oil pan, the oil pump that still looks and feels like new. Even the original manufacturing marks still clearly visible on the bearings. Little to no wear after 1 million miles. With results like these, Schaeffer synthetic engine oils, high-performance hydraulic fluids, greases, gear lubes, and fuel additives keep workhorse equipment running and even looking like brand new for dependable service year after year after year. When it comes to your equipment, discover why Schaeffer is first in making it last.